this tech tip video, we will be discussing about corner relief feature in Catia V5 R33 version. Corner relief command is used to modify sharp corners or edges, particularly in mechanical or industrial design. Corner relief feature plays a crucial role in translating design concepts into functional, manufacturable, and aesthetically pleasing products. In order to use this command, make sure that you are in Generative Sheet Metal Design workbench. The part and relief sketch must be created in the Generative Sheet Metal Design workbench. The sheet metal part must be in the unfolded condition prior to creating the corner relief. Select Corner Relief command in Cutting toolbar or else from Insert, Cutting, Corner Relief. The Corner Relief dialog box appears. Then select Type as User Profile, and in the Support 1 section you can select this bend, and then in the Support 2 section you can select this bend. Next step is to select the sketch profile. Then in the Profile section you can select the polygonal sketch. Once it's selected, then we can select on Preview to check our result. When the obtained result is as per our requirement, then we can select on OK. Hence, the corner relief is created and it is available in the specification tree. Now we can see that function in the folded form. Hence, the corner relief command is created. Thank you.